on some pants, right? You can't even see my, okay. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kesleys, like Leslie. And as you read by the YouTube channel, as you read by the title, it's going to be my updated wash day / mini twist routine. Today is Saturday. It's like almost 3 o'clock right now. While I was laying in bed earlier, I just got this sudden urge to like wash and style my hair today. So like I said, it's gonna be my updated of everything. Don't want to make this intro too long because I've noticed that my intros are way too long. So let's just hop into the video. So first things first, I like to detangle my hair outside the shower. So when I get in the shower, like everything could just run smooth. Yeah, I'm gonna detangle my hair outside of the shower, and I'm gonna be using some type of conditioner. I don't know. I'm not really too particular when it comes to like using conditioners to detangle my hair. I honestly just use whatever is under my sink. So I'm just gonna like section my hair into 4 sections and then tackle each section. I'm also going to use coconut oil on top of the conditioner to help hydrate my hair. I also have to record for TikTok, so let me go get that phone. This is like behind the scenes of content creation, y'all. And this is not no tutorial. This is just me showing you guys of how I wash and style my hair. I'm recording off my iPhone 11, by the way, and right now I'm recording off my iPhone 7. But like I said, this is not a tutorial, so please don't expect a voiceover and all of that fancy stuff, because I just want to talk to y'all and show you guys how I style my hair, okay? So I'm going to press record. It is recording. For my TikToks, I just like to start off by saying hi. I really don't know how I feel about this. Is it recording? Okay, it's recording. Yeah, this is gonna be just me like talking to you guys while also doing my hair. It's been 2 weeks since I've washed my hair. I just took out my hairstyle that I had. If you guys like keep up with me on my TikTok and on my other YouTube videos, you would have seen that I did this style. And I know I said that I was going to show you guys how I did that style, but if I'm being honest, I'm honestly tired of seeing this style because I've had this style for about 2 weeks. So I just want to refresh. It's time for me to redo my hair. So I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections, and then I'm going to get my spray bottle. This is the spray bottle that I use. Like I said, I got this from Ross. Do not pay $10 for this spray bottle. Like, don't, okay? Do not. Y'all wish me luck. So this is the conditioner that I'm using. It's by Cantu. And then I'm using this coconut oil by Luena. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's Luena. You could get this from like Publix. For my mini twist, I actually want to do it super duper small this time. Like, I don't know. Like, I feel like I just want it to look full and small and thick, you know what I mean? I don't know if I'm making sense, but I really want my mini twist to just look juicy. I want it to look very full. So this time we're going to be doing our mini twist extra small. So y'all wish me luck. It's 2:58 right now, and I think I'll probably be finished with everything by 12 o'clock tonight, but I'm not sure. It don't take that long to wash and deep condition my hair because I don't leave my deep conditioner in for like hours. I just leave it in for like 20 minutes.
You got me like don't you stop loving me, don't quit loving me, just stop loving me. Oh, and babe, I'm fist fighting with fire just to get close to you. Burn something, babe, and I'll run for miles just to get a taste. Must be love on the brain that's got me feeling.
Okay, so I'm finished twisting my hair, and yeah, I ain't talk to y'all because I talk a lot, and that was gonna make the process even longer. Now I'm about to get in the shower, shampoo my hair, deep condition for like 10 to 15 minutes, maximum 20 minutes, get out the shower and start on the twist. Let's go hop into it.
What I do, I'm no good without you, and I can't get enough. Must be love on the brain. Let me keep loving me, just love me, yeah, just love me. All you need to do is love me, yeah. Got me like ow. I'm tired of being played like a violin. What do I got?
you guys how my hair is looking. I really have to take a number 2, so I'm about to take a number 2 because I had to take a number 2 since yesterday, but I didn't want to take a number 2 because I didn't feel like it. But now, like, I could take a number 2. The timer should be up by 5:08. And for my shampoo, as you guys seen, I don't think I showed y'all. I use this So Clean Curl Wash by Curls, and I'm out of this. I had this for like a year now. I'm finally finished with this, but I don't use this every wash day. But yeah, I'm about to relax. I have to do a transition. This is kind of like behind the scenes of like TikTok creation, but my last scene was in a tub, and for the transition, I did a turn. So now I'm about to finish the transition, if that even makes sense, child. Yeah, let's just do it. And if you don't follow my TikTok, definitely follow me because I really love TikTok. I really love making natural hair content over there. Over here on my YouTube channel, if you're new here, I basically create, and I'm going off topic, hope you don't mind, but I basically create everything. I create fave, I talk about God, I love God. I do fashion videos. I miss this put it on in real life. Okay, but I don't be taking pictures because, like I said, I'm not really a picture taker. But yeah, I do fashion, fave, beauty. I have a whole bunch of makeups, but I don't use it. We need to start back using our makeup. Beauty, lifestyle, and natural hair. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, definitely check out my other videos. But yeah, let me do this transition so we can just relax. Yeah, I'm so tired. It's like 12:10 right now, and I know I said I'll be done by 12. It's because I took almost an hour break because, as you guys can see, I have my lashes on now. Whew, child, but I'm hungry. My stomach is growling. Yeah, I am so excited for tomorrow. I'm just so excited to just get cute, put on a cute fit. That was like my all-time favorite thing to do when I was dating. Being discreet on my... Oh, I forgot. I'm using Gem.
Knew it was real when you blocked me. Never said it all, judging my body. Wondering what I did to me. Why in the hell you think you real? Why you don't love me no more? I don't even know what for. Just wanted something different. Still don't know what I was missing.
This is the final look. The mini twist is going to do it for me every single time. I can't wait to style these, y'all. Expect the whole video on the different hairstyles to do a mini twist because it's always going to be a look. Like, I'm glad that I did it very small. I don't even think I showed you guys the products that I use. So I use the leave-in conditioner by Cantu. It's from the same line. I can show you guys. I use the Avocado line. Don't even ask me what time it is because I'm honestly embarrassed. I started at 4 and I ended at 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It took me 8 hours to complete this whole look. And I'm not mad at it. I feel like since I was listening to music, it definitely helped the process go much more faster. So really not too much to say. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna post it tomorrow, which is Sunday, so happy Sunday. I'm actually going out tomorrow with a friend, so I'm just excited to see how I style my hair. I'm excited to see what outfit I'm gonna put on because I don't know what fit that I'm gonna wear, but yeah, super excited. And yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below and let me know what hairstyles would you like for me to try with these mini twists. Also let me know what type of content would you like to see. I love you, God loves you, and we is out.